Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everybody. Assalamu alaikum. All data are given following video. Today I will show how to input data into database and how to display them in HTML phase. In this lecture I am using PHP and MySQL database. So we needed these two tools, first XAMPP and then NetBeans or any ID. I have installed before in my PC, so I run them. Here is my NetBeans. I have opened, and here is our XAMPP. By double clicking I have opened. Click on Apache, click on start, and from the MySQL click on start. Here our local host has active. Now click on admin, and here you have come in your browsers. It's localhost. Now go your notepad. Here we will create a database MySQL query. So copy this database as using Ctrl C and go. Now click in your browser. Click on new, and now click on SQL and paste you this query. Create database test. It will be our database name. Here will be any kinds of name. I have just used test. Click on go. Our database has created. Now we'll create a table in our database. So copy this query and go your browser. Now click on this, refresh that first, and click on test. Click on test. Now go MySQL and paste your query using Ctrl V, and here our table name is hello. Here will be any kinds of name, and it has two entity, ID and name. So go you click on go. Our database table has been created, and which has two entity, ID and name, which data type is varchar. Now we will create a project in our NetBeans. So our project name will be first project. So I am copying this name and going on my NetBeans. From the file, click on file and select new project, and now click on PHP because we will work on PHP, and select PHP application, then click next, and now you will have to give the name, project name. I have copied first project from my notepad, so I'm pasting here. Click on and finish. Our first project has opened. Now we will create a form where we'll have two box. So copy this, our from name, it extension will be HTML. So click on source file in your first project, and then click your mouse right button, and from the new select HTML file and give the from name from, and click finish. Now clean using Ctrl Alt and delete it from your notepad, and copy this code which I have written in my notepad, and this code is under the from.html, and paste this code in your form.html here, and using Ctrl S save it, and go your notepad. From the below here you will see a link, and just copy this link, localhost first project from.html. So copy this link, and in your browser paste this here, our HTML. This is our HTML box, user ID and username, and you are seeing user ID, username, and it is all input type. Here have a save button. You are seeing there have a save button. So now uh, we will create a PHP file to connect with HTML. Its name will be insert. So I'm copying this name insert and going in my NetBeans, and from the select files and click new, and now click PHP file and give this name insert and click on finished and clean this. Now from my notepad I am copying this as code below the insert.php. So I paste it in insert.php. You are seeing, and paste using Ctrl V, and using Ctrl S I have set this, and here our PHP has connected with our HTML. Here our look here our select database test. This is our database name, and this is our database table name, and this is our database entity. Okay, these two name has come from .html. These two name has same. These two name and these two name are same, and these two name are same with our database. Okay, now we will input data in our database. So in user ID type 12 and username is Raju, and click on save. Now go your localhost and refresh your localhost and click on browse. Here you are saying your data has inserted. Now we will insert another data, uh, 13. So Amran, giving this name. This is name. Click on save. Here you are saying our it is showing a message saved successfully. Now refresh. Click on browse and refresh using Ctrl F5. Sorry, F5. And here you are saying your data has inserted. Now our inserted has completed.